Any web page, after you can adding on your website, first important point, copy the URL, check the Google and check your indexing part. It's not done by your index. So we can do for which one? Indexing. So first the copy the URL. First go to Google Webmaster. This option call is previous Google Webmaster is called fetch as Google is there. Now is a new option is called URL inspection. URL inspection and copy the URL and enter it. Where in your box. They give information. URL is not in Google. So the URL will be not in Google option. So have to go for which one? Indexing. Where the option call is request for index. Request it. It will taking for 1 minute to 2 minutes of time. Previous is called fetch as Google. New one is called URL inspection. That mean by URL for indexing for request. So I'm coming to new page, index on Google. You are sending for request. You're sending for request. Remember, your will be your uploading for HTTPS. The webmaster will HTTP. They're not accepted. Some people give the syntax. My webmaster HTTP. I'm doing for URL inspection with HTTPS. Is approved or not? They will be not approved. Compulsory URL will be showing for HTTP is the compulsory follow HTTP also. HTTPS follow the HTTPS. Compulsory have to mandatory field. Is a major mistake for Google Search Console. You're adding for HTTP. You submit HTTPS. Major failures. This is so many people asking one question. I'm failure by my webmaster uploading URL inspection. The major thing is HTTPS. Remember, robo.txt without done, your inspection will be not working. Robo.txt compulsory on your website, mandatory field. So before uploading, I'm giving instructions, which is important. XML sitemap file also upload on the with the robo.txt file. Without using robo.txt XML sitemap, we can't do indexing for this URL. First of all, website will call your home page. After we can remaining, we can do the crawling purpose. Now got it. Now index is done. Now clear for text live URL. If any URL will be mobile issues, anything, they will showing for in this year. Why we can go for indexing? If any issue your URL, they will show for in the indexing part. That is called URL inspection. Previous call fetch as Google. Now will be URL inspection. So yeah, this is we can request into index to where for Google search engine purpose. It's taking for 1 minute to 2 minutes time. Next, go for Bing Webmaster. It's a simple technique. Go to configure my site, submit URL and paste it and submit. Now task you are done. How many you can submit per day? 10,000 links will be submit. In your first time you are sign up, 10, going up 100,000. Now will be 10,000 per day. The link will index how many per day? 10,000 for Bing Webmaster. For starting time, they approve per day only 10. Now, is the issue for mobile availability. So this will be option. What the issue will be given here? They give the option. Small read to test and give the very small. So that is called they give the syntax. So you have to increase the font. What are the issues are they given? Follow the instructions. Simple. Where you are content adding. Edit. So content is more powerful, guys. Readable and update. Previous readable is there? No. I can refresh. Now readable is there? The point will be readable. Now you can go for refresh it. What are the parameters are missing? Only for content is more powerful. for mobile users. Any content very visible to the users, there is always will be fix the issues. So clear? So content more readable is important for desktop and mobile users. The any website first of all considered by the mobile users. Which one? Mobile user. That is called we got by mobile issues. Nothing. First read the syntax. If you not resolve, give to developer for the syntax or screenshot. They fix the issues. Is it clear? These always follow instruction for Google and Bing Search Console. Google call Google Search Console, Bing call Bing Webmaster. Is the indexing procedure. Is it clear? Your inspection will be compulsory workout from your indexing for your URL. What are the URL index? You always refresh your parameters. So issue is not resolved. Then send to developer, they will fix the issues. Are you taking time to updating for page also? Is it clear? So this is we can using for URL inspection for purpose of indexing the URL on Google search console purpose. Is it clear? So always follow instructions and prepare the content uploaded by your website. There will be indexing for Google and Bing webmasters. Google will be called two names: Google Search Console, Google Webmaster. Bing is called one name: Bing Webmaster.
So Bing में errors नहीं आते?
There is no
सीधा submit
automatically.